Hi there, welcome to Springbird Studios. Today I'd like to share a painted leaf project with you. This is a great one for fall time to celebrate the unique shape of leaves and to make decorations for your home or something that you might want to tuck away in a greeting card to a friend or family member. It's great for all ages and it's meditative, and I think you're going to like it. For this project, you're going to need some thick paper like a cardstock, watercolor paper, or anything that's got a little heft in it. You're going to want to have paint like watercolors, acrylic paints, or if you want to scribble with crayons, markers, whatever you want. It's up to you. We're also going to need some scissors, some leaves that you've collected, a really nice fine tipped brush, a pencil, water, and then the secret ingredient is ink. This is a Winsor Newton water-based ink that I really like. Okay, so when you have a leaf chosen, you're going to place it down on your painted paper, and then you're going to trace around it with pencil. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's going to be a little loose and sloppy, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be exact. Oh my gosh. You can just be inspired by the shape of your leaf. I am in need of a tripod. Okay, so once you have your outline, then you're going to grab your ink. Let's see. Okay, so you have some ink and water and your fine point brush, and you're just going to trace your pencil line with your ink, which is hopefully a nice opaque one. You could also use watered down acrylic paint, would have the same effect. And you could choose a color other than white. I just sort of like the way the white contrasts so nicely with all the rainbow colors. And then, it can be thick, it can be thin, it can be opaque or less opaque. I kind of just like it to run its course. And then once you have your outline done, you can go ahead and fill in your body of your leaf. I'm doing it with these dash marks that feel fun and energizing to me, lively. It makes me think about like all the energy that a leaf might have consumed and utilized in making food for the tree. But you could do the veins of a leaf. You could do some other geometric pattern or lines like stripes or zigzags or nothing. You could leave it be the way it is. Okay, and then once you've completed with the ink portion, let your leaf dry, or in my case I'm going to speed up drying with blow dryer, with a hair dryer. And finally, we're going to cut your leaf out using scissors. You can follow the line of the leaf as much as possible, or not. Leave a nice big fat margin on it. I'm going to do mine off video because I need two hands. Okay, there's the new leaf right here. Add it to the pile that is growing as the leaves are falling from the trees. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you made it and share your own projects with me. Have a great day.